Okay, here we go. Continuing with the CS24 uh, guitar kit. We're in the process now of buffing it out. Make sure we get a nice shine on it. It's shining by itself already, but we're going to do even better. Okay, it's been 2 weeks since we placed the last coat of Tru-Oil on the guitar. We let it cure for that period of time. And now we're going to go ahead and buff it, make sure that it shines, and then after that, we're going to put it together. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, here we are. Unfortunately, I dinged it a little bit here. I scratched it, something fell on it, and a little bit here, but that's okay. Keep going. Okay, well, finish came out pretty good, except for the scratches that I just made, but what am I going to do? It's too late now. Okay, pretty satisfied with the finish. The finish came out real well. And the headstock as well. Okay, I have this white pearl. I don't know if you could see it, and I was thinking of maybe putting a pickguard on the guitar itself. I don't know. What do you think? You think it's a good idea? You think maybe no, or I don't know. We'll see. When we put it together, we'll see what happens. Okay. Again, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next step where we put it together, and please subscribe so we can keep going. Thank you. We'll see you next time.